Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Rain or Shine. Recently, we traveled to the German state of Bavaria for several days during autumn and we absolutely loved it. In this video, we want to share with you our top 5 places to visit in Bavaria in no particular order. Join us until the end and let's explore the wonderful Bavaria together. First on the list is Rothenburg ob der Tauber. Located in the west of Bavaria, Rothenburg is one of the main destinations in the famous Germany's romantic road. Rothenburg is really one of the most romantic towns in the world. Walking through its streets feels like being part of a fairy tale where the time has stopped in an ideal medieval world. Climbing to the top of the town hall tower offers incredible views over the city and the surrounding landscapes. Rothenburg has also gained its fame due to the fact that the town gives a Christmas vibe every day of the year. Don't miss walking around the walls to have different views of the city. To avoid the crowds, we recommend to go out as early as possible if you want to enjoy the wonderful streets for yourself. Next on our list is Fussen. Situated just 1 kilometer away from the Austrian border, this medieval jewel is probably the best option if you want to stay near King Ludwig's famous castles, as they are easily accessible by bus from the historic center. Many people skip Fussen and visit only the castles in a day tour from Munich, but there is so much to see in this pretty town. Ludwig's biggest dream was Neuschwanstein Castle, the famous neo-Gothic fortress that later would inspire Walt Disney, but sadly he never saw it completed. To know more about the interesting life and death of the fairy king, don't miss our full vlog about Fussen and its castles. Hohenschwangau was the family castle where Ludwig had the happiest moments of his childhood, and his days in his fortress influenced greatly his character. Visiting its interior with a guided tour is highly recommended. Don't leave Fussen without witnessing a sunset over St. Kalman Church, a perfect ending for a trip to this magical area. Berchtesgaden National Park was the area where we started our trip to Bavaria, located in the southeast of the state. There's so many places to visit in this stunning part of the German Alps, but we will share with you our main highlights. Ramsau is an enchanting alpine town known for its special relation to the nearby mountains. It is officially a mountaineering village, so its main pillars are the promotion of nature conservation and the preservation of the culture and traditions of the alpine region. Though it is very small, we absolutely loved it. Probably one of the most famous views of the German Alps is the one of Maria Dern Church, with the Watzmann mountain in the horizon. The sunrise that my husband filmed there was totally surreal. The König See is an impressive natural lake. It is considered to be one of the cleanest lakes in Germany because since 1909, only pedal, rowing, or electric boats have been allowed on it. The lake was originally carved by glaciers thousands of years ago. Take the electric boat to reach St. Bartholomew Church. Berchtesgaden town had already been receiving prominent guests like Bavaria's kings, artists, and noblemen even before the word holiday was created. Its historic center is small but offers many picturesque sights, including historic houses, churches, and the royal palace. The Eagle's Nest is nowadays a lovely restaurant and tourist site, but it was completed in 1938 by the Nazi Party for exclusive government and social meetings. The Allies took the building and damage on April 25, 1945, using it as a military command post until 1960, when it was given back to the state of Bavaria. Number 4 is Garmish-Partenkirchen, located also in the German Alps but in the south of the state. Garmish-Partenkirchen is one of Bavaria's most famous ski resorts and a well-known option for hiking lovers. On our first day in this area, we had a strong storm for the whole day, but the rain didn't hide the charm of the town. Luckily, on our second day, we were blessed with better weather and we experienced a sunrise over the nearby Gerald Sea that we will never forget. Don't miss Rothenburg, a truly alpine village that is not yet known for many tourists. To reach this nearby town, we had to hike through a whimsical forest. The place was idyllic, very quiet and serene. If you go to Garmisch, you cannot miss the Zugspitze, the tallest mountain in Germany. Unfortunately, we couldn't reach the top because the main cable car was closed, but we enjoyed its silhouette from the pretty church of Greinau at twilight. We couldn't finish the list without including Munich. The capital of Bavaria is located in the south of the state, not far from the Alps. Nowadays, Munich is one of the largest and richest cities in Germany. Munich was first mentioned in the 12th century. In 1806, when Bavaria became a sovereign kingdom, Munich developed as one of the most important European centers of culture, science, and arts. The city was heavily bombed during World War II, but many of its traditional buildings have been restored to their former glory. Of course, there is so much to see and do in Munich, but don't miss the best views of the Marienplatz and the rest of the city from St. Peter's Church, a visit to the luxurious and historically interesting Residence Museum, and certainly a huge beer in the fun and touristic Hofbrauhaus to end your day. That ends our top 5 places to visit in Bavaria. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have visited other beautiful destinations in this state, please share your experience with us and comment down below. We would love to return in the future and keep discovering this part of Germany. If you want to know more details about our trip to Bavaria, including all our accommodations and food expenses, check the full travel vlogs in our Germany playlist. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It is really important to help us grow and to create more content. Until next time, keep exploring, rain or shine.